Welcome back, circus fan. Today I've got another handstand video for you, and today it's all about shoulder and back strength for handstands. Now, the most common thing that I get when I'm coaching people is they don't have enough shoulder strength or back strength to hold themselves up in the air when doing a handstand. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a little workout that I built up to help strengthen up those shoulders and those back muscles. Let's go.
The first exercise that you're going to do is a hollow plank hold, which is similar to a normal plank, except you are rounding through your back, but still keeping your bum down and your shoulders over your hands. You're going to hold this one for 30 seconds. The next exercise that you're going to do is tricep push-ups. Once again, in a plank position, with your back nice and flat, you're going to have your hands next to your body and you're going to lower yourself all the way down and back up. And you're going to do 5 of these. The third exercise is wide arm push-ups. Exact same, but with your arms further apart, and you're going to do 5 of these as well. Alternatively, you can do these all on your knees if it's hard for you to make it easier. The fourth exercise is A-frame push-ups. So up on your tippy toes with your hands close to your feet with your bum in the air, lowering yourself down until your head almost touches the ground and bringing yourself back up and doing 5 reps of this. Exercise number 5 is plank shoulder shrugs. So in a plank again with your back nice and flat, hands shoulder width apart, you're going to do little shrugs through your shoulders, not through your back, through your shoulder blades, letting them come down and then pushing all the way up. You're going to do 15 of these. Exercise number 6 is shoulder raises. Very similar to the stacking alignment drills, you're going to have your arms above your head, holding a stick if you have one, and you want to raise your shoulders up without compromising your body position. You're going to do 15 of these. The next exercise is plank shoulder taps. So in a plank again, you're going to tap each shoulder with your legs a little bit wider apart so that your hips do not shift dramatically. Exercise number 8 is wall shoulder shrugs, similar to the plank but against a wall. You can make it easier by having your hands higher, or you can make it harder by walking your hands down the wall a bit more. Shrugging through those shoulders and really finding the movement. Exercise number 9 is froggy press-ups. Similar to the how to balance on your hands video. You're going to be in a froggy and drop your head to the floor, and you're going to do 5 of these. If you want a more detailed explanation of this, I will link a video. Exercise number 10, the final one, is rocking froggies, where you're going to start very close to in the position and you're going to rock forward into a froggy. You're going to do this 5 times.
Whew, that was quite the workout. My shoulders and my back are actually sore. I didn't do an arm workout this week because I knew I'll be filming this video, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm sore already. I hope you enjoyed this little workout that I made for you guys. I hope it makes you stronger to do and hold your handstands for longer. If you have any questions about anything, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing. Till next time, circus fam.